Hello dear student. Today I'm going to tell you about how to add multiple tables in a website or on a web page. So in previous two videos you have seen that how to create the table. Now I will tell you in this video how to create multiple tables on a web page or into a web page. So let's start. You can see I have already told that any HTML document is having two parts. So you see the highlighted part is head part, and this part, this entire part, this part is called the body part. So you can see the body part of this HTML document or web page is very big, as because I have inserted two tables. So here I have added two headings. I want to add another heading here, and the heading will be same as like the second heading. Just one changes I'm doing, and that is I'm writing class 8 and then midterm exam 2020-2021. So now I'm starting here with, first of all, in this I'm saving this thing, and then I'm starting here in this web page. I've started the web page with HTML tag. After HTML tag, I've started the head part with head tag. Then title tag is given. Then the title of the web page www.scms.com is given, and it is ended with the ending title tag. And now after that I have added three headings. The first heading size is H1, and the center tag is used, and the underline tag is used, and then the bold tag is used. And then Satish Chandra Memorial School, this name is given, and it is completed with the end tag of B bold tag, end tag of underline tag, end tag of center tag, and end tag of H1 tag. So this is the first heading. This is the big size heading. It will be reflected at the middle center of the web page with bold alphabets and underline. The next one is the next heading, and this heading size is H2. Center tag, U tag, and bold tag is used, and then the second heading, class 8 core scholastic activities, is given here, and it is completed with end bold tag, end underline tag, end center tag, and end H2 tag. That means this heading will be reflected at the center point of the web page, just below Satish Chandra Memorial School, and after that it will be bold in nature and underline will be there. And after that, the third heading I have given with H2 heading size, let it be H3. Then you can understand what is the difference between H1, H2 and H3 heading size. So the heading size is given H3, then center tag, underline tag, and bold tag is given. Then the third heading, class 8 midterm exam 2020-21, is given with the ending tag of B, ending tag of U, ending tag of center, and ending tag of H3. So like this, the third heading is given. The heading size will be slightly less than the first and second heading, and it will be reflected at the center point of the web page. Underline will be there and bold letters will be there, and thus we complete our head part with the end tag of head. So this head part is completed. Now we are moving forward to the body part. In the body part, body BG color equal to cyan. That means the BG color is the attribute of body tag, which is set as cyan. Now first table I have given. This is the first table. Table border size is given 5. Let it be 10 border size. Border color is red, BG color is yellow, cell spacing is 10, cell padding is 10, align is center. So this is the table tag, and after that the name of the table is given class 8 course scholastic activity competition 2020-21, and it is completed with end caption tag. So this is the name, very big name, very large name of the table, that is class 8 course scholastic activity competition 2020-2021. So this name of the table is given, and it is completed by the ending tag of caption. After that, here we have set many rows for the table. I told that creating a table means what? Creating a table means creating each and every row. Each and every row is created by the help of tr tag. What is the tr tag? Table row tag. Now within the tr tag we are using what? Th tag. Why? Because the first row always will be the heading or column or field of the table. That's why th tag is given. So th tag is given. After that, the first heading role is given. Then it is completed with ending th tag. Same th tag is given. Then the second heading name is given, and the ending th tag is given. Third th tag is given. Third heading is class. Fourth heading is section. Fifth heading is song. Sixth heading is art and craft. Seventh heading is physical education, and eighth heading is drama. And each and every heading is enclosed with the starting and ending th tag. Now the next thing is that this is the first row of the table, first table, which is having 8 headings, and then this row is completed with the ending tr tag. So I'm highlighting this part. You can see this is the first row containing 8 headings as role, name, class, section, song, art and craft, physical education, and drama. After that, we want to create some rows, extra rows, another rows for this first table. So let's start. So we are creating the next row with the help of tr tag. Tr means table row. Within that, we are giving the data. As I have told earlier, that data is given with the according to the heading. So now you see the first heading was roll, so roll number 1 is given. Second heading is name, so the name Anit Dashgupta is given. Then class 10 is given, section A is given, then song Rabindra Sangeet is given, then art and craft drawing is given, then physical education 100-meter run is given, and then drama, Bengali drama is given. So this student is taking part in these topics, in these areas of the given heading or given course scholastic activity. So this is the matter. Okay, so this is one row. Like this, I have created the third row, the fourth row, and the fifth row, which is displaying the role, name, class, section, and also all the topics or areas the student is covering. So this part is for the first table, and if I'm running this table, if I'm running this entire web page, you please see how it will be running. So first I'm running this, and then you can see that this is the thing here. You look at the first table, don't look at the second table, you look at the first table that we have created, where role, name, class, section, song, art and craft, physical education, and drama is given. So this is the first one. Now in the first table, you can see the name of the table is reflected at the top of the table, that is class 8 course scholastic activity competition 2020-21, and the border of the table is 10, we have specified, and the color is red, and the background color is yellow as we have given. Cell spacing is given 10, that means the cell spacing means the space between two cells, that is given 10. And the cell padding means the distance between the side of the cell and the content of the cell. like art and craft. You can see this cell in the art and craft. You can see here the side distance between the side and the word. This distance is called cell padding. It is also maintained 10. So this table is created with 1 2 3 4 5 rows, where the first row is the heading row and the rest of the 4 rows will be the data rows created by td tag, and first row created by th tag. So this is about the very first table. Now we are coming to the next table, that is the class 8 midterm result. So you have already seen this table earlier. Again, I am just showing you the table. When the first table, I am highlighting the first table from where to where the first table was created. You can see this is the first table. The first table was started from just after the body tag, and that table, the first table, is completed here. So this is the first table. You can see. Now we are coming into the second table. Second table, you know that we are giving here border is 10. Border we can increase. Suppose we are increasing the border. Suppose border is 20, I have given. Acha. And then the border color. Suppose border color I am giving green. Okay. And the BG color. Suppose BG color I am giving pink. Okay. And cell spacing is given. Suppose I'm giving 15, and cell padding I'm giving 15. So a bit changes are done, and the align is center. And now about this table, you know earlier, I'm saving this thing first. You know, in the table name is given by the caption tag, and in the caption tag we have given the name of the table, class 8 midterm result, and then it is completed with end tag of caption. And then after that we have given many headings of the table in the first row. So in the first row we wrote role, name, English, Bengali or Hindi, math, science, SST and computer. These all headings, all total 8 headings we have given with the help of starting th tag and ending th tag, and the entire heading is enclosed with the starting tr tag and the ending tr tag. That means in the second table, the first row contains the 8 headings. And now we start to give the data in the rest of the rows. That means after the first row, we start creating the second row, third row onwards, and each row containing the data according to the heading. So I'm telling you just about the first second row. In the second row, you can see the roll number is given 01, and the name heading here it is given Amor Bormon. English it is given 93, Bengali or Hindi it is given 83, math it is given 76, science it is given the value, SST is given 89, and computer is given 92. So each and every data is given according to the heading. And here you can see second row, then third row, then fourth row, then fifth row and sixth row. So all the rows are created. So the second table started from here, and the second table is ending at the last of the body part. So this is the second heading. Okay. So now this is the second heading of the web page. Now I'm saving this web page, and again I'm running the web page. You can see I'm running the web page, and you can see the result here. In the second table you can see that in the first table the border size was 5, but in the second table border size is 10. So the border is very thick. Also the background of the first table was yellow, but the background of the second table is pink. So that is also reflected. The name of the second table was class 8 midterm result. That is also reflected. And after that, the data, how many rows we created? We created 6 rows. The first row contains all the heading, role name, English, Bengali or Hindi, math, science, SST, computer, and rest of the 5 rows contains data. So this is the entire web page. You can see I have minimized the size of the entire window, and you can see this is your the entire web page. And in this web page you can see easily that The first heading has come, co-scholastic activities. No, you can see here the first heading has come, Satish Chandra Memorial School. After that, co-scholastic activities, this has come. This is the second heading, and the third heading, class 8 mid-term exam 2020-21 is coming. You can see H1 tag was used for the first heading, so the heading size was big. H2 tag, H2 heading size was used for the second heading, so it's bit less in size than the first one. And H3 tag is used, H3 heading size used for the third heading, so it is a little bit less in size than the second heading. But all the headings are in block letter and underline is there, and all the headings are coming at the middle of the web page. And you can see at the tab of the web page www.scms.com, it is also reflected. So it is your entire web page. You can see it is your entire web page. You can see like this, or you can see also like this. This is your entire web page. So this is the way you can add many tables. I have added 2 tables only. You can add as many tables as you require. Thank you all the student.